Today I've got another Prime Naturals essential oil for you. It's a cough, cold, congestion relief roll-on. This is perfect for this time of year. I know we are all dealing with some sort of cough, cold, or congestion due to the seasons changing living in New England. It's a natural solution for nasal congestions, chest congestion, sinus pressure, stuffy noses, and sneezing. Got a headache? Got tension? Check this out. This will help solve your problem. It'll even reduce stress and anxiety. And my favorite aspect of it is that it helps with muscle pain, spasms, stiffness, sore muscles, and sprains. It even helps you relax and go to sleep. Check out Prime Naturals Cough, Cold, Congestion Relief Roll-On.